Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to log in ASOS app. So if you want to log into your ASOS app, you have to make sure that you already have an account. To begin with, open up your respective app store first of all and install ASOS into your device. Once you are done installing, you want to open that up. Tap the menu from the left hand side corner of the screen. There you go, the sign in field. You want to tap open that up. This is going to directly take you to a web page. Now, you just want to make sure to type in or select the way that you want to log in. You could go with email, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Since I've used my email, so I'm just going to continue with my email, and after which I just have to tap onto the continue button. Now there comes the password field. You want to enter in the correct password. Make sure to double check it by holding onto this I button so that you could see or it reveals the password as well, and tap the sign in button. And this way you're supposed to log into your ASOS app. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.